Okay, I got the camera set up here. I was going to show you this angle here. If you can see this seam right up here, I cut it out. These seams have been spackled with some, hard compound, but they were never really taped. Once they cracked, they never really got taped. Somebody just thought they could just fill them in and the cracks would go away, but that's not the case. But I'm dealing with that angle over there, and I started scraping into it, and I'm like, wow, I gotta record this because this is really important, guys. When you're running into stuff like this and this bad stuff, let me try to get a closer picture. But you see how cracked this is? This has got a big crack in it. It's all the way down. Now this is when I started to chip it all out. I mean, it was really bad. If you don't get this chipped all out, the problem is never gonna go away. You're just gonna keep dealing with these problems. You've got to take all the loose stuff out. Whatever it takes to get anything that's loose, anything that's flaking, get it out of there. That's your problem, is you've got some loose stuff underneath the hard stuff, and it just keeps moving and cracking. So, watch. But I've got to get in here. And this has just been spackled with some hard mud. We thought they could just fill this in. I'm not seeing any tape here whatsoever. This is not easy. This is some really hard stuff in here. This is cracked here, but it's not all loose. That was all loose back down there. This is not. It's just cracked. So I don't have to scrape this as much. Make sure you get everything out that is loose and flaking. So this seems very solid. I had him walking on the ceiling. The owner was walking back and forth on the roof, seeing if this was moving, and it really wasn't moving. But I noticed the wall's got a lot of vibration to it. It's a big wall, and it's got a lot of vibration to it. So, but we should still be okay. We should still be okay. I can't stop that. There's nothing there. There's absolutely nothing up here. I think the framing stops down here someplace, and there's very little. I've got nothing up here that I can find or see. So, all right, I'll get back to you. I'll try to set this up a little bit better so you can see the entire angle, and then I'm gonna tape it with something that's completely different. But let me get it ready to tape and I'll get back to you. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe, and if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.